Welcome to Lifestone TV. We cover personal development and so much more. In this video, I'm going to share a nice, beautiful idea on how I set my intentions. And this is a really great way to center yourself. And today I have a simple plant. So this is just a sage plant. I'm gonna repot it. So this I just got from Whole Foods for literally like $2. So, and then I have a quartz crystal here. And then I have a letter that I just wrote right here. So this can be anything. This can be words, this can be a mantra, an affirmation, or an actual like letter. This is basically me telling the universe, thank you so much for protecting me, keeping me safe, keeping my husband safe. And also I'm using a lot of gratitude, but I'm also saying a lot of things that didn't happen, but I'm saying it in the present tense as if it happened. So a lot of people use this technique, speaking things into existence, acting as if. So there's a lot of goals on here that I haven't achieved yet, but I wrote it on the letter as if I'm thanking the universe for already giving it to me. So, all right, now this is the fun part. I have the plant here. I have all the things that I need. Massage the roots. That's something really important to do. Okay. So now we want to get in there. Put the plant in